In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text inside image in Canva. Whether you're creating a social post, a thumbnail, or a quick announcement, you'll learn how to place clean, readable text right on top of any picture and export it the right way. First, open your design in Canva. On the left side of the editor, look for the Uploads tab. Click Uploads to bring in your image. You can choose Upload Files and pick a photo from your computer, or simply drag and drop the image into Canva. Both methods add the picture to your Uploads library. Now drag the image from Uploads onto your canvas. If it snaps to fill the page, that's fine. If not, position and resize it so it fits the layout you want. Next, go to the left toolbar again and click Text. This opens Canva's text tools. Choose Add a Text Box. A basic text box will appear on your canvas. It might land in the middle. That's normal. Resize the text box by dragging the corner or side handles. Widening the box changes how your lines wrap. Narrowing it creates shorter lines that can sit nicely inside a busy area of your image. Place the box where your text will be easiest to read, leaving a little breathing room from the edges. Type your text directly into the box. With the text selected, use the top toolbar to adjust font, size, weight, color, spacing, and alignment. Aim for strong contrast against the background, light text on dark areas, or dark text on light areas, so it's legible at a glance. If you're using brand fonts or colors, apply them now for consistency. Make small adjustments to the box size and position until the composition feels balanced. When you're happy with how it looks, go to the top right corner and click Share. From the Share menu, choose Download. In the File Type dropdown, select PNG. PNG keeps your text crisp and is ideal for most graphics and social posts. After selecting PNG, click Download to export your design and save it to your device. That's it. You uploaded your image, added and sized a text box, typed and styled your message, and exported a clean PNG ready to share anywhere.